Hey everyone, welcome back. Don Boehm here again. I'm so glad that you've come this far. I feel like we're becoming old friends. In our last two videos, I've shown you the forms and process I use when doing my due diligence, and I've gone over what information to find from the county, thereby saving you hours and hours of time. So you now know what information the county provides and how to research an individual property. If you've not seen those videos, please pause this one and view them before continuing on. So let's see if we can have a little fun today with the rest of this process. Which brings us to the question of, what do we do now? What's next? Today, you're also going to get your first view of my members' homepage. But first, let's get back to the question of what's next. Once you acquire a lien or a deed, the next consideration to think about is how you're going to register your lien or take title to the property. We have a section in the members area called Title, Exit, and Escrow. If you're just starting out or only have a few investments, you can register the property in your name. Not a problem. You will, however, eventually need to form a company to handle your investments that can protect your assets. The most common form of entity is an LLC, Limited Liability Corporation, which offers you this asset protection. On this score, you're really fortunate because my personal legal advisor, Linda Sands, has agreed to share her expertise with you. Linda is a nationally known speaker and lecturer, recognized as one of the leading experts on the subject of asset protection. And Linda provides her services to our members for a fraction of the cost normally associated with her level of expertise. Remember, American Tax Lien Services has your turnkey business format for the transformation of your life. Isn't it great to be you? Oh, and on the topic of advisors, I only use top-notch professionals who are experts in their fields. Now, there are very specific reasons for me using outside consultants. First of all, it would be very expensive to have this level of expertise on a permanent in-house basis. And second, for me to do so and then offer their services to you would be a conflict of interest. I would be forced to make these portions of my business profit centers for my company, and you would be the one paying that price. That could mean that your best interests may not be served with this type of arrangement. And you're here to transform your life with positive reinforcements and the guidance of proven professionals so that you can realize your financial dreams and aspirations. Well, that is my dream for you also. So let's get going. Are you ready? This is it, your very first viewing of the members' homepage. So take a deep breath, let it out slowly, and ta-da! These are the tools that could very well be the keys to the success you've been searching for. Now, back to the exit portion of this tab, which is dedicated to helping you familiarize yourself with various exit strategies if you're a new real estate investor. Our goal here is to not give you a detailed course on these strategies, but to point out some of the options available to you. The real secret known to long-term, successful real estate investors is, as author Stephen Covey has said, to begin with the end in sight. So it's up to you to decide which option will work best for you, depending upon all the factors present at any given time. And I recommend that on the day of acquisition of a tax deed, you start your exit strategy process by commencing the legal process to quiet the title. A local attorney recommendation may be available from a real estate agent in that county. Otherwise, see Quiet Title under the Resources toolbar in the Members area. And on the heels of that step, you'll need to contact an insurance agent for replacement or liability insurance. A qualified agent will direct you to the proper type of policy for your situation. The pages on closing definition is designed to familiarize yourself with the terms used and the fees associated with the sale of a property, what those fees entitle, and who usually pays the fees. The next item for you is the Power Team template, and it is designed to make your life easier. This is for you to compile a list of contacts that will be instrumental in the liquidation of your property. These are the people who will work for you and we have provided tabs for the various professions you will be using. These include your realtor, escrow agent, title company, appraiser, attorney, or contractors. And I have included additional blank forms for other trades you may need along the way. Plus, there's an additional PDF with a different format that you may use if you're more comfortable with that style. What this is basically a Rolodex of contacts who will be your boots on the ground team. This is vital information, so make sure that you use this resource. It will, as I said, simplify and organize your life. Enough said? Another tool I have for you, and you're going to love this. I have included a section on rehab information. It's not a checklist you would get from one of the fix and flip people, but a list of items to think about when having to repair or refurbish a property. These items are the cosmetics that build curb appeal and develop the pride of ownership in a buyer. These are the items that make them want to own your property. Next are easy-to-use templates for all your record keeping. The first is entitled Lien Tracker Spreadsheet, and with this form you fill in all the information on all your investments, and you're then able to track the entire portfolio from acquisition to liquidation. This allows you to keep track of such items as the date purchased, amount paid, amount of interest and or penalty rate, redemption period, when the next taxes are due, and other pertinent items to keep you organized. Second template is called Auction Template, and this is designed to be used as a single sheet to consolidate all the properties you wish to bid on in a particular auction. With this template, I provide an example of the thought process for establishing a bid limit and figuring out what your potential profits are based upon current market values. This template is also an excellent tool for presenting opportunities to potential private money partners. You fill in the blanks with the pertinent information such as your maximum offer, the assessed value, comparable sales in the area, your asking price, and potential profit. With this information, a potential investment partner can make an informed decision whether they want to invest with you or not. Now, in an earlier video, I touched on the fact that you can use your retirement funds to invest in tax deeds and liens. And I have great, concise third-party information for you on how these accounts work, an overview of what you can and cannot invest in, and a process for setting up an account. Now, I have contacted numerous companies who provide qualified custodial services, and I'm providing this referral free of charge for your benefit. The Resources toolbar fills in the blanks of what's not covered under the other titled section. This toolbar includes companies who conduct online auctions, online real estate sites to help you with the due diligence process and the sale of your property. I have links to websites for information and statistics, and even sites where you can hire virtual assistants to do all the research and legwork for you. And remember, in the last video when I talked about not having the $300,000 laying around to purchase the property we showcased, well, I provide links to you for private money resources who will fund your deals. How cool is that? You can see I've done all the legwork for you on this one. These resources are intended as additional tools to aid you in the process of building your business. Our website is the missing link for investors who end up not knowing what to do with all the information they've been overwhelmed with. There are no hidden agenda. This is a real action plan. I am providing you every tool you will need to be successful in this business, all in one place, and just a click of the mouse away. All of the guesswork has been taken out of the process for you. C.R. King told us, "I had quite a lot of interest in tax lien sales and never moved forward because it all seemed so overwhelming." She said, "I needed your product." Enough said. As you can tell, this entire business is laid out for you. So let's get back to the topic of auctions. See, I provide an auction calendar for you on a monthly basis. And knowing when the auctions are is one of the major components that are necessary for your success. You don't have a list, it doesn't matter how well you can perform your individual property research or your ability to find information within the county offices. We offer a monthly subscription service that provides you a list of upcoming auctions in all the counties that we cover in our county templates. And that's over 600 counties. As I said, this is a subscription service, and we charge a monthly membership of $9.97. Remember, you have nowhere to begin without a list. So here's how it works. By clicking on the county name, you're taken to the detail page, which provides the date of the sale, who conducts the sale, where it will be held, and there is a link to the online information about the sale, which usually includes a list of properties to be auctioned. From the members' homepage, the States and Counties button takes you to an interactive map of the United States. And by clicking on the state you're interested in, and then the county, in this case I'm using Riverside, California, where all the pertinent information is right at your fingertips. Here you have it, one-stop shopping for all your tax, lien, and deed needs. The last item of the day is the support we provide for you on a continuing basis. We are available to answer questions you may have, review your work, or just be there with an encouraging word and guidance for your path to financial success. So there you have it, your turnkey tax sale business with all the tools you need to transform your life. So what I want to ask you is what it would cost you in time and money to put this information together on your own. Now, I can tell you that I put in hundreds of hours and spent thousands of dollars to pile this information that you will be receiving. My question is, what would you pay to have all these tools at your disposal? Quite frankly, I don't know what to price this packet at. But for a limited time, as an introductory offer, I will provide you with a major price incentive. I'm offering the entire package for a price of $497. That's right, you heard me correctly, only $497. So here's what you need to do. Click on the Buy Now button below to gain instant access to start the transformation of your life. I'm so confident in my program and the value of the information that if you feel for any reason that this is not all that I say it is, I'm offering a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. It's what I call the steal my stuff guarantee. If you're not 100% satisfied for any reason, just cancel your membership and you'll be refunded your investment. Again, no questions asked. So you could literally join the program, download all the material, and ask for your money back. Now I know you're not going to do that, but I want to make it very, very clear that this program is at no risk to you. So to recap, you're being provided with the keys to transform your life. The major items needed to be successful in this business consist of knowing who to contact, how to research the auction list, and knowing when the auctions are to be held. Remember that I'm offering all the tools that you require for your turnkey business from entry to exit. So if you feel that this is what you've been searching for, then sign up today. Here's what you need to do. Just click on the Buy Now button to gain instant access to start the transformation of your life. Congratulations to you on making the commitment to transform your life today. I'll see you in the members area. Well, you know, it just came to me as I neared the end of this video that if I truly believe that this membership is the best tax sale opportunity available online, then I should be standing up more for it. So here's what I have. I have a very, very special offer for you. To back up my statement, I'm willing to allow you a 7-day trial for $1. That's right, just $1. Again, if you're not completely satisfied, simply cancel your membership, no strings attached. This is really the steal my stuff guarantee. This is at no risk to you whatsoever, and after you choose to keep your membership, your credit card will be billed for the level of participation you have chosen. So simply click the Buy Now button to get started, and I'll see you in the members area.